Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am Curly Quante, and over here you get a little bit of this and a whole lot of me. Today I'm doing an unboxing. This is a long-awaited item that I received on yesterday. So if you guys have watched my previous vlog, then you already know where it's from. There's a little, and I'm sure you saw on the thumbnail where it's from. So I'm so excited about this because I've wanted it for a while. Every time I would have it in my cart and I would have second thoughts about buying it, then I would be mad at myself because I didn't go through with it and I didn't buy it. So I finally got it. Let me tell you a little backstory on how I got it. So my essay from the previous purchase that I made, and he said that he didn't have it and that he couldn't, he didn't know where to find it or whatever, but he would keep an eye out for it, and if he came across it, he would text me and let me know. So fast forward, I was stalking the website like every single morning. That would be one of the first things that I would do when I would wake up in the morning, was look on the website to see if the item was actually there or not. So it went from saying out of stock to call for availability. So when I saw that it said call for availability, I'm like, it's in stock somewhere. The next morning, maybe not the next morning, so a couple days later, when I was happened to be checking online again, and it said call for availability. Nice gentleman by the name of Brandon. And so he told me that it was a highly sought after piece and that, you know, he was going to check the stores or whatever. He said he saw, I asked him to specifically check Nashville, Tennessee. I asked him to check Missouri. I asked him to check Atlanta. I asked him to check Nashville, Atlanta, Missouri, and it's somewhere else. It was four places that I asked him to check, and I can't think of where I had somebody at that could have went. Miami. Shay was in Miami. So if they had it in Miami, I was gonna see if I could cash app her a little change to run on over there and get it for me. So they didn't have it at any of those locations. So what he said he was going to do was send an email out to the four places that he did see it at, and he was like, someone will get back in contact with you within the next 24 hours and to see if you're still interested in the purchase, and they would send you the invoice over email. And so he was like, if no one calls you back, if no one texts you or call you back within the next 24 hours, then you call me back. And I was like, okay, bet. It wasn't even like 2 hours later, I got a call from Katie in the New York Soho location. And when the number popped up on the phone, I was like, bingo, there go my bag. And so she was just like, are you still interested in the bag? And I told her that I was. And she's like, okay, I'm going to send an invoice to your email. I confirmed all of my information from my previous purchase, you know, address, shipping, all of that type of stuff. And then she said, I'll call you back. So when she called me back, not even like 5 minutes later, she's like, okay, I just sent the email to you. I'm going to stay on the phone with you so you can go through the process just in case something happens. So I was like, okay, cool. So I was in the bathtub when she first called. So I immediately got out and I got my credit card because I knew that I didn't know the number by heart and she was going to be calling me back, and I was definitely getting this bag. So I was texting my friend at the time, and he was like, you finna get it, aren't you? And I was like, I definitely am. I'm like, I see it, I'm getting it. So without further ado, my bag is here. So I am so excited. I'm so excited. So you guys know that all the packaging comes with the signature blue ribbon. How cute is it? I purchased this as a gift to myself for being promoted. Like I said, I've had my eye on it for a while, and this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys right now. And I actually wrote a note to myself because like I said, it's a promotion gift and I wanted it to be memorable. And this is the note. This was supposed to be the note. There is no note on here. That's just a blank card. See, this is goes to show that this is a first reaction unboxing. Like, I have not done anything with it, and so there's no note in there. Okay. So here we go. Oh, there's my note. So of course, you guys know it comes with your receipt, my proof of purchase, has my name, all of my information on it, and my proof of purchase. I'll keep that in there. And here's my card from the store. And it says, congratulations on your promotion from your #1 fan. And that's the note that I wrote to myself, because I am my #1 fan. And if you don't take care of yourself and do good things for yourself, then who else will? Like, you gotta do something for yourself. So I love that. Love that. Love that for me. So I'm sure y'all know what this is, because like I said, it's a coveted piece and everybody is talking about it right now. YouTube, everybody has this item, or trying, or at least trying to get this item, and I finally got it. And so here she is. I got the Toiletry 26 and I am so happy. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. So y'all know that this is a toiletry bag. It's intended to be a toiletry bag. So this is one piece of leather, one continuous piece of leather that's sewn together, and then you have the side tabs that are single pieces that are also sewn together. So it has a gold zipper on it and the Louis Vuitton symbol here, and I love it. And the zipper has, of course, the LVs on the zipper tabs. So I wanted this because I wanted to carry this bag as a small, like, crossbody, right? So in order to convert it into a crossbody, I went to Amazon and I purchased an insert for the bag. So the insert is in size comparison. Here you go. This is the size comparison of the insert in the bag, and I'll put a link down below for this exact insert. But this insert also comes with inside pockets, so like you can slide your credit cards and things like that in it, because generally, you know, I could carry this as an underarm bag if I wanted to. If I wanted to do that, I could do that, but I wanted to carry it as a crossbody. So I purchased the insert from Amazon, and not only did I purchase the insert from Amazon, I purchased this gold chain from Amazon as well. So the insert comes with two little prongs on the sides that you could clip the chain to, right? So that's how you turn this into a crossbody. So all you do is slide the insert inside the bag like so. So one side is going to fall over perfectly, and this, on this side, you would need to remove the clip, or do it once you get the bag in here, and put it through the outside. Put it through the outside where the tab is. You would need to clip it on the outside. So once you clip it that way, then, oh, I don't like it like that. Oh yes I do, I'm sorry, duh. So once you clip it on the outside, then you're still able to use the full zipper, right? So now your clasps fall over on each side of the bag, and it's converted to a crossbody, and you can wear it, and it's so cute. It's so girly, and I absolutely love her. Then you can wear it as a crossbody, right? And there's still plenty of room in here. I wanted to see if my wallet would fit inside it. I know that it will. So this is the wallet that I purchased. No, this is the wallet that Faith gifted to me for my 40th birthday. And so you guys saw that vlog. So this fits in here. You see that it's smaller than the bag, and all I have to do is just slide it in inside the pouch. So I have space in here to put my wallet, or just put single cards if I wanted to, or I could put the wallet on this side, on the outside of the pouch, you know, well, on the outside of the flap, and it's just cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so girly. I love it so much. And that's her. I love it so much. Wow. Oh, I love it so much. Y'all, when I say that I've wanted this for so long, I've wanted it for so long. And like, I low-key was just like watching it, or not really. You know how sometimes you want to keep things to yourself. You don't really tell people what it is that you want, or, you know, or when you're gonna spend this kind of money on something, you don't really talk about it as much, just because you don't want people to try to discourage you from it, or say, oh, that's really not worth the money. Girl, it might not be worth the money to you, but this is what I want, this is what I like. So I'm glad that I listened to my own mind. I am glad that I got it. If you want something, you should get it. Like, as they always say on TikTok, we're normalizing black girls in luxury, and this is my new baby. So that's my unboxing of my bag. I also showed you guys how to convert it into a crossbody, or if you want to be a bad and bougie bitch and carry it under your arm, you can do that as well. But this is how I'm going to carry her, and I love it. I can't stress how much I love this. Like, I can't even begin to tell y'all how much I love this bag. So, oh, where's my Amazon package? I can't even stress or begin to tell y'all how much I love this bag. Like, I really love it. And it's one of the lesser expensive items on the website. So if you're looking for an item to make your first Louis Vuitton purchase, I think that this is a good purchase. Like, the crossbodies that are on there, they're like 3 times the price of this. And if you just aren't prepared to shell out that kind of money, girl, get you a toiletry bag. This bag retails for $5.80 now. It was, I remember a long time ago, this was like $300. It was like, when I say long time ago, I mean like long time ago. But before the holidays, it was like $5.20. And I saw it. I remember having a conversation with Shawanda about it, and she was saying that it's always sold out everywhere. And like, I was looking for it, but I wasn't really looking for it. And I just so happened to go in Neiman's one day, and they had it, and I felt it, held it, touched it, all that good stuff, but I didn't buy it. Like, I don't know why I didn't buy it that day. I just did it, but it's been on my mind ever since then, and then I couldn't find it anymore. So I'm glad that I finally have it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you over here. And we will see y'all in the next one.